Hi, good morning. Day three of our Cumbria mini tour, and we're heading back home now, but we're not going the direct route. We're going to head up north, up to Pooley Bridge, and then we're going to cut down through Kirkstone Pass, head back down to the Southern Lakes, and then we're going to decide whether we go straight back home down the M6 or whether we cut back through North Yorkshire. So I'll get back to you when we get to Pooley Bridge. Well guys, not arrived at Pooley Bridge. We're a bit further on because Pooley Bridge was closed for roadworks. We're just on the way up to Patterdale along the side of Ullswater. There's a boat. Time to find the bikes. Oh, welcome back guys. Ullswater's to the left, Carroll's to the front, and this is the A592. Really hoping to call by Pooley Bridge by the steamer, but we had about 3 attempts at getting there, but every road was closed off. So we've abandoned that idea. And there are little beaches around the lake, look. I mean, it's lovely. A couple of swans out there, look, Carol. See, every car park's jam-packed. Yeah, 15 degrees today, so yeah, it's quite a nice view, isn't it? Quite nice that we've not got a van in front of us. Yeah, nobody behind us either. For a minute. Ooh, not quite sure which way the road was going to go then. Yes mate, it's a motorbike. There we are, Glen Ridding. Oh, there's a nice gap here. You can't come in there, mate. Can't come in there. Or a twat. Excuse my language. Yeah, it's a nice place here, but really, like, really busy. Just look at them all. I think what our plan is, here's Patterdale now. Hopefully we'll get you over Kirkstone Pass, down the other side, which is going to take us towards Windermere. And we'll probably stop filming there because we're going to head back into North Yorkshire. And we're probably going to ride back across some of the roads that we came here on day one. We're going to head back towards Hawes. Just don't fancy the M6 just straight home, so we've got all day. It's not raining, so we're going to go and enjoy ourselves. And sometimes you don't want the camera running all the time. Of course, Patterdale and Glen Ridding are climbers' haunts as well. You can get up to Striding Edge, I think it's from here, isn't it? And Helvellyn, both of which we have climbed. Striding Edge is a bit It's a bit scary actually. It's not as bad as Sharp Edge on Blencathra. We've done that as well, haven't we? Years ago, mind. No, the motorcycling's not done much for my fitness, if I'm being honest. I was never a really thin thing, but I was thinner than what I am now. Oh, look at this, painful guys, look at this. 22 miles an hour. That noise does mean I've passed, yeah. I passed in only away an MT10 can. No. I didn't pass on one wheel, no. Oh, this is more like it. Yes, yesterday it was actually an M4 BMW. Carol got by it and he took exception to being overtook, and I decided to overtake it, and he decided to put his foot flat down at the time, which making it very difficult for me, so I had to open it up even more, and the front wheel did slightly lift then. I'm not a wheelie merchant, but sometimes you've got to give it some and get by them for your own safety, really. He was prattling about. I think some of these people, it damages their ego if you overtake them. Yeah, Brothers Water's Inn, we've done a tour from there, haven't we, Carol? A few years ago. Quite a nice little campsite. Oh, you just sprayed me with water there. Thank you for that. And again. Now we're getting the view. This is what we've come for, guys. What you can see ahead, snaking up the valley. This is the Kirkstone Pass. And perched at the very top is the Kirkstone Inn. Oh, God. I remember exactly 4 years ago, for our silver wedding anniversary, was we hired ourselves an F-type Jag, and we came up here with it, and we went round lots of places with it, actually round the lakes, and it was one of these from a hire company. You know, it wasn't cheap, but it was supposed to be the V6, but they hadn't got the V6, so they had to give us a V8, and oh, it just sounded absolutely epic up here. Yeah, got a loud button. You press down on the console, and oh, just crackling and banging, just superb. Nicely done, Carol. It's a bit of a tricky spot to try and overtake up Kirkstone Pass, but she's executed it. fellow bikers coming down, or are they push bikers? A bike. Was it an Enfield? It might have been an Enfield Bullet 500. Might. Oh, good. Tip your hat to them, don't you? Yeah, it is hard work. Yeah, I can see it. I'll see if the camera will get it when I go by. You see it, guys? A little waterfall there. Just try not to hit this cyclist. Very nice. Yeah, it's not a bad run up here for saying how much traffic's down in Glenridding and Patterdale. Nearing the top, I think. I feel my ears going. Well, he got enough fluorescent on him. Spotting the rain. Ambleside via the struggle, it says. That's what they call it. That's the road down to the right down there. There's the Kirkstone Inn. And if you take that little road down there, that brings you out at Ambleside. And that really is steep in places and really narrow. I can remember many years ago, Karen and I got a Saab 900 Turbo at the time, and we'd been up here on holiday. This is before we had kids, and we were going down there, and I don't think I quite appreciated what a heavy car it was, that I needed to keep it in the low gears like you should do. And by the time I got to the bottom, I got no brakes, and the smoke was pouring out the front wheels. So guys, on hills, remember to use your gears, not your brakes. Don't think it's quite as steep this side, is it, Carol? No. Still a great view though. Absolutely fantastic. No, it's not really that steep. It's a nice run. I like the noise. Yeah, I do. She said I like the noise. That's why I use so much petrol. I do like the noise. Well guys, we're very nearly at the bottom of the pass now, and we're going to make our way across towards Hawes. Thanks very much for watching our little mini series here up in the Lake District, and hopefully we'll catch you on the next one. Cheerio for now. Bye bye. Carol says bye bye. Do you say bye bye? Bye bye. She says bye bye. Yeah, really. Bye bye.